Hi, this is Shaz with your Pajaro Valley Chamber of Commerce and Agriculture. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hey, we are here at Carmona's today. Well, stop. I'm just going to let you know that today's video is all about food and some of the fun food that you're going to find right here in the Pajaro Valley. We want you to come on out and join us today. Johnny's gone crazy again. St. Patrick's Day, he has green hot wings. He's got a Reuben sandwich and he has corned beef and cabbage all day long, and with that you're gonna get some green beer and green ice cream for dessert. Grab your partner and come on down to Carmona's and enjoy some great St. Patrick's Day fun. We're in the middle of the Lenten season, and Adrian at De La Colmena wanted us to let you know about some of the great Friday specials that he has. They include his famous fish tacos, ceviche tostadas, chili rellenos, and those are in a super burrito or a plate with rice and beans. Fried tilapia, shrimp quesadillas, tortas de camarón, and capriotada. That is a Mexican bread pudding that you don't want to miss. Don't forget to make your reservation for the Business Expo. It is filling up fast. Make it a great day in the Pajaro Valley. Go green, go big.